This project is Vessel with Texture. We will be using Model Magic clay and found objects. The objectives are to create an organic shaped vessel out of clay capable of holding water or food. We'll tint the clay using the marker or crayon method, and we'll find objects from around the home to use as texture making tools. Why are we doing this? Making vessels like cups and bowls is one of the oldest human arts. It is also considered a utilitarian craft. Making vessels to store food and liquids as well as to eat from transcends culture and time. Artifacts have been found all over the world showing that humans have been making vessels since prehistoric times with whatever materials they had in their geographic area. The materials to gather are your Model Magic clay package, either markers or crayons for tinting, several found objects for imprinting texture, and a cup or small bowl to use as a drape mold. This video is how to make a vessel, which is something like a bowl or a cup that holds water or food out of some Model Magic clay. And we're specifically going to add some texture, and I'm also going to add some color just to spruce up my white Model Magic. And to do that, as you probably remember from the last assignment that we used Model Magic, you can use some markers to tint it pretty easily, or crayons if you have crayons only. So first I'm just going to, since I kind of have 5 colors picked out, I'm just going to kind of get 5 different pieces. That's not quite enough. Now I'm going to put these colors together in kind of a marbled way, and you don't want to over mix them, but you want them to be kind of mixed if you're going for this kind of marbled or tie-dye look here. Just a quick twist. Okay, so you want to get your Model Magic in kind of a large circle-ish shape. And I'm just kind of getting it into a flat circle. Okay, now comes a fun part for experimentation. So I have these random objects here. All are interesting because I thought that they could put some texture into the clay. So I found this toy. It was just, something in my son's room, and I was thinking it could make interesting texture. That almost looks like a honeycomb. That's pretty cool. So I'm going to play around with some textures of just some found objects from around the house. And there's no right or wrong way to do this, and I'm excited to see what you guys come up with for your texture. So I thought that a ruler could make some cool lines. I thought maybe a Lego could make some cool dots. This kind of had a cool top that could make a cool shape. This also had a cool top. Keep more lines there. I thought these monster truck tires might do something cool. Oh yeah. So there I have 6 different textures. counted my rulers twice, with pretty little effort just to kind of get something going on there. So be creative with your textures. And then the next thing to do is to take a cup or maybe even a bowl, depending, and put your vessel in like this and kind of play with your edges to make them kind of wavy. In a cool way. Gotta remember that model magic sticks to itself. So the idea is to kind of make it look kind of like an organic shape, like a flower or something like that. And this is the hard part. Just leave it for like a week. Just drying out like this. There, that kind of looks like a cool flower. And then when it's dry enough, you can take it out of the cup and then it'll be its own little bowl.